Okay, how to import SVG files into Xtool Creative Space. We just need to go to File and Import Image, browse to a folder, and in this case I have three files. One is a DXF file, one is a JPEG, and the next one is a Microsoft Edge HTML document, which is in fact an SVG file. Sometimes they show as web browser files such as this, but if I just right click and go to Properties, you can see it is an SVG file. So with that selected, click Open. In the pop-up box, you need to press on No, display it in the original size, and that brings the drawing in at the correct scale. If I just zoom out a touch, now you might need to right click and ungroup, which separates the file, and to select all the black layer, we click on this black, and we can change it from engrave to cut. The red layer is already on engrave, so this drawing is ready to go. The second way to import SVG files is if you open up a folder, you can actually click and drag onto the canvas, and in the same pop-up box select display it in the original size again. So that is two ways to bring it into Xtool Creative Space. If you don't see the pop-up box when importing, just go down to Settings and scroll down until you get to the File Settings, Import Settings, Imported Image too large for the canvas. Just make sure this is on Ask Me Every Time, and then you can choose whether or not to scale. I hope this video was helpful to you, and as always, have a great day.